is up Web3? It's me, Chris 2 Moons, right here at the Binance Blockchain Week 2025. And right now, I'm at the booth of Trust Wallet together with the CMO, Mr. Sami. Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much.
You know what? People were like getting crazy of your jacks today, which I have one right now. How's the event so far?
It's been awesome. So it's great to meet here with the whole ecosystem, Binance community users, and especially at our booth. We just launched our prediction market, and the theme here, as you can see, is all about prediction markets. So it's really good buzz here today. Thank you.
This isn't your first time in Binance Blockchain Week, yeah? You were here last year as well.
Actually, I've been here first time already in 2022, so been already a couple of times.
So how is it compared to 2 years and today?
I think the whole industry is evolving, and I would like to say that it's more like a friendship nowadays, that you see familiar faces, you see the ecosystem, but you also meet new people, and it's all about friendship, like you make connections, and I think that's the theme of the week, what I would say.
Everybody knows a Trust Wallet, and even me, I use that as well. And for the sake of our new viewers, can you please tell us what is Trust Wallet?
Trust Wallet is the leading #1 self-custody wallet, basically the first and easiest step to get to Web3. Hold your assets fully on self-custody, on-chain, swap, trade, earn, and basically navigate the whole Web3 altogether.
Now what makes Trust Wallet stand out from all the competitors?
Well, we have we are trusted. First of all, it's in our name. It's the security, it's the ease of use, and basically the users, what we can see here, we have more than 210 million users globally. So that is the validation of our own. And finally, it's the innovation. We just launched 2 days ago, the prediction markets as well, all in one app. So that's, I would say, is the key of Trust Wallet.
That's why we call them trusts. What opportunities are we looking forward to this coming 2026 for Trust Wallet?
We are going to preach overall, the focus will be obviously preaching the traditional finance, Web3 and on-chain activities. We are going to have some exciting product launches. We have PayFi, card on our roadmap, and there's going to be a few other exciting innovations, but more importantly, we are going to focus on our foundation. It's all about security, allowing users to hold, earn, swap, and navigate the Web3 also in 2026.
All right, that's perfect. Last question. What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money, we believe that wallets will be playing the key role, and they will replace banks and exchanges going forward. And finally, the true value will be on-chain in the future.
That's perfect. And now can you please describe this event in one word?
I would say it's friendship.
Friendship. Now we are close friend right now. This is me, Chris 2 Moons. I hope I get a lot of insights from him. More to come only at FOMO, the future of money. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.